Hi, to set up speed dial numbers on Samsung Galaxy S25, you just need to open your phone app and choose Keypad. After that, tap three dots, More, and here choose Speed Dial Numbers. So basically, you can assign speed dial numbers. For example, if I long press number 1 on my keypad, it will trigger voicemail. I can set number 2 for any contact from my contacts list. For that, I can either enter name manually, or I can tap contacts icon and simply pick a contact. So, let me show you how it's working. Just remember that Maddie got number 2. Let's go back, and now all we have to do to call this person is long press number 2 on keypad. And voila! Just call assist enables, and with the help of this way we can easily, just in 1 second, call any person. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.